Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have something special for you guys. If you're a content creator, whether you make YouTube videos, webinars, or even record Zoom sessions, then you probably know how powerful a blog can be for growing your brand. But let's be real. Writing blog posts every week? That takes time. Well, not anymore because you can use AI tool to do it for you, automatically using Blogify. Blogify.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to streamline the blogging process by transforming various types of content, like videos, podcasts, and documents, into SEO-optimized blog posts in just a few clicks. Let me show you real quick how easy it is to create a blog from any video. So here's how it works. Once you sign into Blogify, go to My Blogs, create new blog. You can generate a blog from anything like video, audio, or document from almost any source. Here I will create a blog from my YouTube video. Paste your YouTube link here, customize your blog settings, and set up affiliate monetization if you want. You can even set the target location to a specific region. Then hit Generate Blog, and that's it. The output looks like something you'd write yourself, but it takes just a few minutes instead of hours. But that's not all. Blogify gives your blog an SEO score, so you can instantly see how well it's optimized for search engines, along with suggestions for improvement. The best part, it automatically places affiliate links for you. That means you can turn your blog into a passive income stream without having to manually insert anything. Need to publish in another language? Blogify supports over 150 languages, making it super easy to reach an international audience. Want to see how your blog is performing? Just head over to the dashboard for a full overview of your blog activity and traffic. If you're a creator looking to get more out of your content, this tool is a no-brainer. It saves hours of writing, helps you reach a wider audience through Google search, and opens up new monetization opportunities. If you are interested, there's a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. And if you decide to keep it, feel free to use the link in the description to support this channel. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you've used AI tools like this, or if you're thinking of trying Blogify. I'd love to hear how you'd use it for your content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.